the forever lies. Hello friends, this is Shundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. As it says in 1 Peter 1:6, so be truly glad, there is wonderful joy ahead, even though you must endure many trials for a little while. So don't believe the forever lies. God never says that we won't go through trials, through hardships, through unfair situation. But Peter says that it is just a little while. He doesn't say years from now that your faith is going to be shown genuine and purified like gold. No, in just a while, you're going to see God do something awesome in your life. But you have to believe. Don't believe the lies. Lies come from Satan. God is with us all. In just a little while, your health is going to turn around. Your child will get back on course. You'll overcome whatsoever trials and difficulties may come into your life. Don't believe the forever lies that the enemy loves to whisper. It's going to be years before. He's trying to get you discouraged, doubting what God can do, to where you give up on your dreams. Don't fall into the trap. God says in just a little while, what you're believing for is going to show up. Keep that playing in your mind. It's not permanent, but in a little while. That's how you wait with expectancy for the joy that's ahead, knowing in just a little while the God you serve is going to show up and will bless you. The key to all these things, as I am sharing with you every day, my thoughts is always practice an attitude of gratitude, being grateful, being thankful of the things, the trials and difficulties that comes into your life. Thank you that the trials I go through are but for a little while only, and you have purpose to use them for my eternal good. Thank you that you are the God of all grace, and that you will bring me through them to the wonderful joy that's ahead. I believe that greater things is coming into my life. Yes, we must not believe the forever lies Satan or whisper to us. As Peter said, so be truly glad. There is a wonderful joy ahead, even though you must endure many trials for a little while. It's just for a little while. We endure the trials and difficulties in life. Just a little while, it will not last forever. And that I am sharing with you because those lies will not prosper. God says in the scripture that He will stand by us, He will support us, He will give us the power to endure many trials, and that we have to understand and accept. So while waiting for the blessing to come, while waiting for that prosperous life God had promised us, we must be patient to endure that for a little while. Trials and difficulties won't last forever. It will just be passing by and will just be there for a little while. The God you serve is going to show up and shower you the bountiful blessing He has for you. But we must believe, we must endure the pain, we must be patient, truly patient, for a little while. So God will bring us the wonderful joy that's ahead of us. Don't worry, keep going, keep praying, keep meditating the goodness of God, the blessing, the prosperity in your life will come to you in its perfect divine timing. This is Shundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for stopping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you supporting me here. I love you all and bye-bye.